Hello, welcome to Easy English. So today I want to find out what the people of Brighton do for a job, how they got the job, and what they enjoy about the job. Let's go. What do you do for a job?
So I work at Sainsbury's. Technically the role I do is called a training assistant, but essentially what I call it is stacking shelves.
So I work as a band manager, promoter, events manager, I guess you could kind of call it, and also a production manager based in Cardiff. So I do various different tasks from doing accounts, doing offers, and doing a bit of promotion and marketing, all the kind of various different elements of working in music, I guess.
Wow, you're like a one-man band. No pun intended.
No pun intended, yeah. One-man band, 4 bands.
Can you tell me, what do you do for a job?
I'm an estate agent in Hertfordshire.
With your job, what are the perks, you'd say?
Staff discount is probably one.
Yeah.
Constantly surrounded by food as well. It's quite nice.
Okay, definitely working with amazing artists and hearing new material and new tracks.
When I said the question would be, what is your job? I feel like you almost didn't want to do the interview then.
Yeah, absolutely. Everyone hates estate agents.